Hello guys, it's me, Aydın İsmayılpurun, in the series of Learn Vocabulary Step by Step. Today we are learning something lovely in the IT world. The word itself is driver. It is a little bit different than the one we know in general English. In general English, driver means somebody who drives. A car, a bus, a taxi, etc. However, in the IT world, driver is a set of files or software that help computers and devices use another piece of hardware. In this case, let's take a camera, for instance, as a piece of hardware that we want to run on our computer. We need that driver, those files, for our computer to run that piece of hardware. In this case, it is what? It is a camera. So our camera should work smoothly and perfectly and with our computer, on our computer. So when we install the files driver on the computer, the camera and computer know how to collaborate. As a result, they start working together. So 1 or 2 times practicing, of course you'll get it done. Thank you very much.